Before it becomes a beloved spread, our journey begins here, under the warm sun, where the humble peanut first takes root.
Deep within the earth, under the warm embrace of the sun, our journey begins. Here, the humble peanut starts its transformation, a testament to nature's bounty.
When the time is right, these hidden treasures are carefully unearthed by specialized machinery, bringing the raw peanuts to the surface.
Before the delicious paste can be made, the journey of the humble peanut begins with its grand arrival at the factory. Precision and power combine as the raw peanuts are carefully unloaded, ready for their transformation.
From the field, the peanuts arrive, ready for their first transformation. A meticulous cleaning process ensures only the purest kernels move forward, shedding the remnants of their earthy home.
Now, the magic truly begins. Inside these colossal roasters, heat awakens the deep, nutty flavors we all adore. The transformation is mesmerizing, and if you're enjoying this journey into how things are made, please hit that subscribe button and
Once perfectly roasted, the peanuts are swiftly cooled to preserve their flavor. Then, a gentle process removes their delicate skins, preparing them for the next crucial step in becoming that beloved crunchy butter.
This is where the magic truly unfolds. The blanched peanuts enter the grinder, and with powerful precision, they are transformed into that rich, creamy, and utterly irresistible paste we know and love.
once harvested, the peanuts undergo their first cleaning, preparing them for the next crucial steps. If you're enjoying this journey, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more fascinating insights.
Alterate. Roasting is where the magic truly happens, unlocking the rich, nutty flavor we all love. It's a precise dance of heat and time.
Now for the signature crunch. Our perfectly roasted peanuts are ground into a smooth, warm paste with carefully added pieces to create that irresistible texture.
With their skins removed, each peanut undergoes a rigorous quality check. Only the finest make the cut, ensuring every spoonful of peanut butter is perfect. And if you're enjoying this journey through the factory, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring.
The crucial roasting phase begins, where heat will unlock the rich, nutty flavors we all love.
Every peanut undergoes rigorous inspection, ensuring only the finest quality moves forward. If you're enjoying this journey, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell.
Once the magic of heat transforms the raw nuts, developing their characteristic golden hue and irresistible aroma.
With the roasting complete and the peanuts cooled, it's time to remove their papery skins. This blanching process is crucial for achieving that smooth, desirable texture in our final product. After reaching their perfect golden hue, these aromatic peanuts are swiftly moved to a cooling conveyor. This crucial step halts the roasting process and prepares them for the next stage.
With their skins removed, each peanut undergoes a rigorous quality check. Only the finest make the cut, ensuring every spoonful of peanut butter is perfect. And if you're enjoying this journey through the factory, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring.
Now, the real transformation begins. The blanched peanuts are fed into the mighty pre-grinder, where they are broken down into a wonderfully coarse paste. This is the first step towards that unmistakable crunchy texture.
After its initial blend, our peanut butter enters a crucial homogenization phase. Here, precise temperature control and gentle agitation ensure every jar delivers that perfect, consistent texture you love.
With its texture perfected, our delicious peanut butter embarks on its journey to the filling line. Through a network of meticulously cleaned pipes, it makes its way, ensuring every jar receives the same high-quality product. Sandblind.
From a coarse paste, we move to the final grinding stage, perfecting that signature texture. Then into the mixing tank, where a touch of salt and stabilizers are carefully blended, transforming it into the rich, creamy, and wonderfully crunchy peanut butter we all know.
As our peanut butter approaches, the jars await their destiny. Each one is thoroughly sterilized, ensuring a pristine home for our crunchy creation. And if you're enjoying this journey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to see more amazing processes.
This is where the magic happens. Our automated system ensures every jar receives the perfect amount of crunchy peanut butter, a testament to precision engineering.
Even after filling, the journey isn't over. A gentle vibration ensures every jar is perfectly settled, followed by rigorous inspection to guarantee only the finest quality peanut butter reaches your home.
Butter. After careful inspection, each jar receives its vital seal. This high-speed induction process locks in the freshness, ensuring every spoonful of crunchy peanut butter is as perfect as the moment it was made.
With the product secured, it's time for its identity to shine. Our automated label applicator ensures each jar proudly displays its brand, a testament to the quality within.
From the fields to the factory, every step ensures the perfect crunch. Here, our signature crunchy peanut butter begins its journey into each awaiting jar. From the fields to the factory, every step ensures the perfect crunch. Here, our signature crunchy peanut butter begins its journey into each awaiting jar.
Each jar is then meticulously sealed and adorned with its distinct label, a testament to the quality within. Precision is paramount at every stage.
From individual jars to neatly stacked cases, the journey of our crunchy peanut butter is a marvel of modern efficiency. If you're enjoying this behind-the-scenes look at how your favorite spread is made, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to see more incredible processes.
From humble peanuts to perfectly packaged jars, our crunchy peanut butter now rests in our expansive warehouse, awaiting its journey to stores worldwide. A symphony of efficiency, ensuring quality reaches every home.
Packs. Quality is paramount. Every multi-pack undergoes a rigorous automated inspection, ensuring perfect labels, secure seals, and accurate weight before it leaves our facility.
After careful storage, our crunchy peanut butter jars enter the final assembly phase, where precision robotics ensure every package meets our exacting standards. Each lid receives a tamper-evident seal. Labels are applied.
The final step in our factory journey is the automated palletizing, preparing our delicious crunchy peanut butter for its journey to you. If you're enjoying this behind-the-scenes look at how your favorite crunchy peanut butter is made, make sure to hit that subscribe button.
With precision and efficiency, our logistics team ensures every pallet of crunchy peanut butter is carefully loaded, ready to embark on its journey to stores and homes. At the bustling distribution hub, advanced automation ensures our peanut butter is swiftly and carefully transferred, ready for its next stage.
Before the journey begins, every detail is verified. The supervisor and driver meticulously review the dispatch manifest, ensuring every jar of crunchy peanut butter is accounted for.
All set. Safe run. Thanks. We'll see you on the return.
And there it goes. The journey of our delicious crunchy peanut butter has officially begun. If you're enjoying this behind-the-scenes look at how your favorite spread is made, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to follow its entire adventure. Across highways and through serene countrysides, our truck carries its precious cargo. Each mile brings our crunchy peanut butter closer to homes and breakfast tables, a testament to the journey from farm to factory, and now to you.
From the factory floor, our delicious crunchy peanut butter embarks on its vital journey, traveling across vast distances to reach you.
And so, the journey begins. Our fleet of trucks, laden with delicious crunchy peanut butter, departs the factory, ready to bring this beloved spread to tables far and wide.
The final leg of the journey begins as our delicious, crunchy peanut butter is loaded onto trucks, destined for stores and homes around the world. Soon, it will be ready to be enjoyed by you.
And here they are, gleaming on the shelves, ready for you to take home. If you're enjoying this journey from farm to table, please hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss our next adventure.
Splitting the final destination. From a tiny peanut seed to this moment, our crunchy peanut butter has completed its incredible journey. It's now ready for you to enjoy. What a process, from start to finish.
With the last pallet loaded, the team ensures every box of crunchy peanut butter is securely fastened for its journey. Precision and care are paramount, even in these final moments.
From humble beginnings to a delicious spread, every step is a symphony of satisfaction. If you've enjoyed this journey, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more incredible insights into how things are made.
The journey continues as our jars are carefully boxed and stacked by precision robotics, ready for their next destination. If you're enjoying this fascinating glimpse into how your favorite crunchy peanut butter is made, please hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to see more behind this.
From the production line, our carefully packaged peanut butter moves into the heart of distribution, the warehouse. Here, precision logistics ensure every jar is accounted for and ready for its journey.
And finally, the moment of pure enjoyment. The rich, nutty flavor of crunchy peanut butter, a testament to a journey of quality and care, now ready to be savored.